गुड मॉर्निंग डियर स्टूडेंट। डियर स्टूडेंट, आज का टॉपिक है डिस्पर्सन सिस्टम। व्हाट इज द डिस्पर्सन सिस्टम? रिलेटेड टू लेसन नंबर 2 is matter around us pure. So dear student, what is the dispersion system? A system consisting of a substance distributed a very small particles of a solid, droplets of liquid, or tiny bubbles of gas in a suitable medium is called dispersion system. मतलब बच्चों, if gaseous matter or liquid matter and solid matter mix to each other, they form another states called dispersion system. The distributed substance or tiny bubbles, the distributed substance called dispersion phase, whereas the medium in which it dispersed is referred to as dispersion medium. Means dear student, dispersion system का मतलब ये होता है, आप सबको पता है, देयर आर 3 स्टेट ऑफ मैटर, सॉलिड, लिक्विड एंड गैस। जब दो मैटर को हम एक साथ मिक्स कर देते हैं, जिसमें एक मैटर के एटम्स, मॉलिक्यूल्स दूसरी मैटर में डिस्पर्स हो जाते हैं, डिस्ट्रीब्यूट हो जाते हैं, तो उसे हम डिस्पर्सन सिस्टम कहते हैं। So on the basis of the size of particles, the dispersion system can be divided following 3 categories. Dispersion system बच्चों तो 3 टाइप्स के होते हैं। फर्स्ट, ट्रू सॉल्यूशन or solution, second, colloidal solution, and last one, suspension. So see here, true solution. True solution are homogeneous system and have the size of dispersion molecules or ion and homogeneously distributed throughout the solution. These particles invisible and cannot be seen even with microscope due to very small size of dispersed particle. True solution per through ordinary filter paper as well as through animal's membrane, sodium chloride, sugar, urea for true solution in water. Second, colloidal solution. Colloidal solution are a heterogeneous system and have the size of dispersed particles lying between 1 nanometer to 100 nanometer or 10 to the power 9 meter to 10 to the power minus 7 meter. The particles present in colloidal solution The particles in colloidal solution are uniformly distributed throughout the solution. Although a colloidal solution appears to be homogeneous, yet it is a heterogeneous mixture. Although colloidal particles are larger in size, yet they are not large enough to be seen naked eyes. However, they can be seen by the help of ultramicroscope. Colloidal solution can pass through ordinary filter paper but not through animal's membrane. Gum arabic, gelatin, glue from the colloidal solution when dispersed in water. And last one is a suspension. Suspension are heterogeneous system and have still larger particle. The size particles present in suspension is more than 100 nanometer. So dear students, see here diagram of three dispersion system. Here true solution, colloidal solution and suspension. See here in blue diagram, have you see true solution where size range of the dispersion or dispersed medium, dispersed particles is 10 to the power minus 10 meter or 0.1 nanometer. In green diagram, have you see colloidal solution which dispersed particle size range is lies between 10 to the power minus 9 meter to 10 to the power minus 7 meter and 1 nanometer to 100 nanometer. And in red color you have to see suspenser with size range more than 100 nanometer. So dear student, here differences in true solution, colloidal solution and suspension. Note down on your notebook. This is most important for your exam point of view. So thank you.